What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have yet again another power bank, you guys. So here you go. I don't want to butcher their name. Let's go ahead and get into it. And y'all already know where it's made in. I'm not even going to get into that. If you're mad about where it's made in, then you might as well get rid of everything in your house, because more than likely nothing is made in America in your house. So we're going to leave that one alone. That's too political. All right, so here we go. Let's unbox it. Now, you guys, this is a cool power bank, you guys. Why is it cool? Because just in case somebody knocked down the power grid, you know, somebody might knock it down soon. I ain't trying to break this. All right, there we go, the button. So right here, you hit a button and there you go. You have solar panels. So if somebody knocks out the power grid, hopefully nobody blows up the sun. If somebody blows up the sun, we're finished. All right, so let's hope that one day that don't happen, okay? Because this is our last resort right here, is power from the sun. With that being said, we're gonna flip this down and flip it back like this. Now, this can be powered up by the sun, of course, but you can also power this. You have output right there. You have in and out for USB Type-C, out for USB, and then in for the USB micro. So there you go. And look, little flashlight, just in case when they hit that power grid, you can have a nice little flashlight with you and charge it up and have unlimited lighting. All right. So right here, you can charge up whatever you need to charge via USB. Over here, via iPhone or whatever's dealing with lightning charge. Our favorite, USB Type-C. All right. And then you have the old school micro USB right there. All right. If we use that anymore. But here goes all the specs for that. Now let me flip it back. So there goes your USB. Oh, there goes your USB right here. All right. There goes your lightning right here. As a matter of fact, let me flip everything back in. Nice and neat. All right. And there you go. You guys, this is so cool, nice and neat. And they got their brand name right there. All right, now, the big question, how to power it on? You see this little sleek button right there? You hit that button, hold it down, and the light comes on. So there you go. If you need a light, and this is fairly a good amount of light, you guys. All right. Y'all can actually see it on camera. So this is a good little light. Hit the button again. All right, so you got the strobe light. I'm just gonna tap the button. We are at 100%. It lets you know. All I did was just tap the power button. Okay, so that's it. So if you need the light to work, then you go ahead and do that. All right, we got into all the mechanical stuff. They give you a USB to USB. Well, they give you a USB Type-C to a USB Type-C right there. A nice little wire just in case you need a charge. They gave you a little holder right here. Okay, so you put this right here on the side. I need something sharp to try to grab it right there, but this is a little hook for it. That way you can just hang it up. We are going to go over some specs, and I will post the specs. But one of the main specs that we need to know is the milliamps. This is 46,800 milliamps. You guys, this thing will charge up your phone a couple of times. When you got a high amount of milliamps like that, that means you got a good amount of charging, as far as charging how many times you could charge your device. Just in case people don't know nothing about milliamps. So yeah, I know I have been reviewing many and plenty of power banks. I will try to actually put it in a playlist now, since I have a good amount of power banks that I have reviewed, different style power banks and stuff like that. So I will try to put it in a playlist. But as far as this power bank goes, you will need a power bank like this, you guys. So you should get one. I will put a link in the description of this one. But when they hit that power grid, you better be ready. I'm telling you right now, you better be ready. All right. You hit this button right here. Where we at? Where we at? You need to know where this button is. This is probably the most important button that you need to know. Look, it says open right there. That's the most important button you need to know. Because once that power goes off, oh, and I almost knocked my phone, my camera down. So when they hit that power grid, this is the main thing you need right here. All right. Nobody, well, I don't think so, but nobody gonna blow up the sun yet. That will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.